We've interrupted our scheduled programming due to unforeseen circumstances. Please stand by and await further information. You are now watching BBC Knowledge. Please stand by for further information as this is known for being extremely important. Please listen carefully. Just moments ago, urgent reports have surfaced indicating that a bomb may have been planted at the BBC headquarters. Authorities are currently investigating the threat, and emergency protocols have been activated across the premises. Staff have been instructed to evacuate immediately, and law enforcement teams are working swiftly to secure the area and assess the credibility of the situation. While details remain limited, the public is urged to stay clear of the vicinity and await official updates. This is a developing story, and further information will be provided as soon as it becomes available. The bomb is now expected to detonate within the next few minutes. Emergency services are actively evacuating all personnel from the building and surrounding areas. Please do not attempt to assist others or re-enter the premises. Trained responders are fully equipped and working swiftly to manage the situation. Any interference could jeopardize lives and hinder the evacuation process. We don't have any further information to bring you at this current moment. Please await further information regards to the recent event. We have some new information. The police have successfully located and detained the armed suspect believed to be connected to the recent threat. The individual is now in custody, and authorities are continuing their search for any explosives that may have been planted in the vicinity. Specialized units are sweeping the area with caution. Ensuring public safety remains the top priority. While the suspect is no longer at large, the situation is still active, and officials urge everyone to remain vigilant and follow any instructions issued by emergency services. Further updates will be provided as the investigation progresses. We urge everyone to remain calm, vigilant, and patient during these challenging and uncertain times. Your safety and well-being are our highest priority, and we ask that you stay alert, follow official guidance, and avoid spreading unverified information. Authorities are working tirelessly to manage the situation, and we will continue to provide updates as soon as new details emerge. In the meantime, please take care of yourselves and those around you, and trust that every effort is being made to resolve matters swiftly and safely. Despite the tireless efforts of law enforcement and emergency response teams, the exact location of the planted bomb has not yet been identified. Time is critically short, and current intelligence suggests that detonation could occur within the next minute. Authorities are urging everyone to remain at a safe distance and follow all emergency instructions without delay. The situation remains extremely volatile, and every second counts. All available resources are being deployed in a final attempt to prevent further tragedy. Once the bomb detonates, the resulting explosion is expected to cause catastrophic damage throughout the BBC headquarters. The force of the blast would likely obliterate the interior structure, sending debris in all directions and leaving little intact. Anyone still inside at the time would face extreme danger, with survival unlikely. Emergency services are bracing for impact, and every second counts as they work to minimize loss and secure the surrounding area. We extend our deepest gratitude for your unwavering support, cooperation, and loyal viewership throughout these past few decades. Your presence has meant more than words can express, and together we've shared countless moments of insight, inspiration, and connection. But as with all journeys, there comes a time to say goodbye. Though it's never easy to close a chapter. Oh crap, there's the bomb.